Welcome everyone, iXclaxe here. This is a new edition of our Let's Review a Product. So this is going to be starting in this channel, and I'm going to be reviewing a few products that I've actually used throughout my time. So here's a quick brief example of what I want to actually showcase to you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing the Unicorn Bettle Pro. It is a smartwatch case, and it is made for the Apple Watch Series 4. I have had the experience of using this now for about a few months or even more since the release of the Series 4. Just to be quick on the review, first off, I have two things here. I have an example of my old watch and the new one, and as you both can see, the watches here, this is the Apple Watch Series 3, and seeing as the Apple Watch Series 3, I used to use this with no case at all. Alright, so I just want to show you guys what the results are with not using case. And okay, it gets really worn out. The case, the watch is dirty. I'm very active. I use this for work as well, so mainly I don't really use any other watch aside from this because it's really useful for my schedule. But aside from that, you can see this strap is full of gunk. So even though I've tried to maintain it, this is old, so I'm not using this anymore. However, ever since I've changed onto the new one, the new Series 4, I haven't had to think about anything whatsoever regarding the case. I have had no worries of getting scratches, unlike on my old one, the Series 3 had scratches. Now this has been so good because it's, you know, ever since the Series 4 has released, I've looked into cases and I bought this, and it's been great. So I haven't had anything, you know, bad to say about this case. So as you can see, with that, I can actually show you a little bit of dent there as well, I think. Yep, just where I'm pointing. So I've had a few scratches on there, but it's nothing major. Good thing is the case is on here to protect the watch. So the watch is, the case is shockproof, and you have total access. That's one good thing about this case, is that although it's can be bulky or it looks bulky, it's great. Even when you dock it on the charge, you're still able to charge it. And it's also rugged. Aesthetically, it's great. It looks great. It comes in 4 colors as far as I know. You can get this in red, gold. I've got the blue one, and you can also get the carbon black, which is fantastic. So guys, check it out. I'm not sponsored by this product, but however, I'm just letting you guys, you know, get an insight on what cases you can use or what products actually works well with the Series 4. So as for me, this works. So I hope this helps you out. Peace.